House & Garden. It's one of our oldest supporters. They've been around in the industry just as long as anybody else. They've been producing at least 25 years. Originally from Holland, as a lot of good companies are, not to say that others aren't, but they moved over to the USA quite a while ago, to Humboldt County, California, part of the Emerald Triangle. They set up some of the best manufacturing facilities in the world there. It's a zero waste facilities. So it makes one of the few American companies that have been going for so long. We have a saying around here, once a house and garden grower, always a house and garden grower. And that's just because they're consistent. The quality is really high, and really it's quite simple to use. You're never running too many bottles at once. It's a great line like that. It's amazing what results they can get out of so little, which I think is really a big deal for a nutrient. The Roots Accelerator and the Amino Treatment are their two biggest sellers for another reason. The Amino Treatment actually doubles as a silica. If you like this brand and you've been drifting into silicas, it's not well known that that's a silica, but you can, and the results are really good. It does, among other things that it does. The Roots Accelerator is by far, it has been for a very long time, one of the best roots products. And I've seen it work personally, and the root growth is incredible. They have a range of products that you don't necessarily need, but they make them because there is a need for them. Like their Magic Green as a foliar feed is really effective. The magnesium is made for certain plants that really want that, but it's not something that you have to run. The Drip Clean is a little bit different to everyone else's system cleaning agent, and you use so little of it. Among that, they have a really great enzyme product that people often overlook with a lot of the other ones on the market. And they have a run to waste or a cocoa-based nutrient. They have one, their Aquaflakes, which is made for your recirculating and your water-based systems. And unlike a lot of brands, they actually have a soil-based nutrient as well. So that if you actually want to run this incredible brand and you are using traditional methods of soil, that you actually have the option to do that, which I think is a really good option. Their top shooter they're also one of the first to have this idea of like a heavy shooter. In a powder and a liquid form, they give you the option of both. So again, that's another product that's been really highly rated and used and regarded for quite a long time. These guys are really great. They're really consistent. They've been big supporters of us here. We've supported them. And we've got customers who've been using this for probably nearly 20 years or 10 years. So I really recommend trying it if you're out for a new nutrient or you want something a bit different and you really want to play around a little bit. I do highly suggest this range. I mean, we have a lot of great nutrient ranges, but as I keep saying, we wanted to do this one because House & Garden has been around for so long with us and in the industry in general, and they work in every sector you can think of. You can probably find House & Garden there somewhere. So please come in, have a look at it, ask us about it, grab a feed guide, grab a booklet, has all their information in it, and they've even included some information at the back on, running your systems and problem solving your plant nutrients and your pests and your deficiencies. So please come in and check it out.